Hello, Team Green. Let's get ready for calendar. Today is Tuesday, August 25th. What do we have today? Oh, worms and apples. That's fun. Look, you could see the worms are starting to eat inside of the apples. That's funny. All right, let's look at our card today. It looks like, will you count with me? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 worms. We could do something with that. We also have, oh, you could barely see this apple right here because he's eating it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples that we could talk about. Also, I want you to look at the fact that some of the apples are whole apples, they're not eaten, and some of the apples are part of an apple because they are eaten. We could do an equation with that. In fact, let's just do that right now. Let's say I only want to talk about the apples. We'll talk about the caterpillars or the worms later. So let's see, I have 1, 2 apples and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples that have been eaten. Oh, I have an idea. Do you know about subtraction? Did you learn about subtraction in kindergarten? Let's do a subtraction one. So let's say once upon a time, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples. They were all whole apples. 7 apples fell off a tree. And there were some hungry caterpillars, and they came to eat some of the apples. How many apples did they eat? Well, that one's eaten. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those hungry caterpillars ate 5 of the apples. So we're going to take them away because they're not whole apples anymore. They're not an apple that we want to go eat. So we're going to take them out because we want to figure out how many apples are left. Maybe I'm hungry. Maybe I want an apple to eat. So if we have 7 and we take away those 5, how many apples are left for me to eat? I'm so hungry. Well, we take away those 5 that were eaten. How many whole ones are left? There's 1, 2 whole apples left. 1 for me, 1 for you. Do you like apples? I love apples. Okay, let's do a different equation. Maybe we would like to do an equation about the caterpillars or the worms. You know what I'm noticing? That some of the caterpillars are going this way and some of the caterpillars are going this way. Maybe we can add them all together. Let's look. Which caterpillars are going in that direction? We'll say that guy's going in that direction, that guy's going in that direction, and this guy. So we have this one, 1, 2, 3 caterpillars are moving sort of that way. And remember, that's that key word for plus. How many caterpillars are moving this direction? Well, this guy's going in that direction, this guy, and this guy. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 caterpillars are moving this way. So we have 3 moving this way and 4 moving this way. How many caterpillars in all? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 caterpillars in all. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Nice job, friends. I like how we were able to get a subtraction fact today. That's fun. Let's add another day of school. 1 day for today, for Tuesday. We're going to plop it in here to the ones place because these are all babies. They're all by themselves. They're not in a bundle yet. When they're all separate, like this one stick, we call those ones. And they just hang out. I call them babies too. Will you help me count? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have been in school for 7 days. Woo! Nice job, friends. All right, let's put a 7 here for 7 days of school. We're getting so smart. Okay, this is the part where you repeat after me. we have to figure out when we have all these digits, the digits like one card. Eventually we'll have digits here and here. But when we have all these digits, what number does that make? So we have, ready? Repeat after me. Repeat after you. 0 hundreds, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, 0 tens, and 7 ones, and 7 ones. Makes the number, what number is it? Hopefully you said that it makes the number 7. When we put all the digits together, well, there's really only one digit in this one, so it makes the number 7. We have been in school for 7 days. Can you believe it? All right, it is time to count by tens. Are you ready? I like to get my fist up because I'm going to count the tens place. The ones place stays the same. The tens place changes. It goes like this. If I put 1 up, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I hope you have your hands up with me. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Don't put your hands down yet. We're going to go backwards. We're at 100. Take away 1. That's 90. 80, because I have 8 fingers. 7 fingers is 70. 6 fingers is 60. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. Thanks for counting by tens with me, and thank you for joining me at Calendar. I'm so excited to see you tomorrow.